Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. My name's Will, and this is the Wimmy YouTube channel. Gotta hit you with the quick sales pitch. Sorry, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Those three things, always really appreciated. Always really important with pleasing the whole YouTube algorithm. Totally free to subscribe. So if you like these types of automotive videos, mod videos, stuff like that, you like the S650 Mustang, you like the GX550, you like the Ram TRX, all of those things, think about hitting that subscribe button and joining us for the fun. But with that out of the way, today we're gonna be working on my S650. Once again, this bad boy right here. This is, if you're new to the channel, my 2024 Mustang GT, currently making 800 wheel horsepower with a stage 3 VMP supercharger kit. But today we're going to be doing a much easier, simple modification. This is going to be the door sills like you saw in the title of this video, the Ford Performance ones. They look a hell of a lot better than the stock factory one. So let me go ahead and turn you guys around and show you exactly what we're going to be installing. I have them over here on my workbench. So right here we have the Ford Performance sills, Ford factory part. So right there, there's your part number. These fit the 2015 to 2025 Mustang, so S550, S650. You can pick these up at the dealership. You could also use your Ford points for these if you wanted to. They're pretty inexpensive. I think they're about, I paid $160 for them. You can see we got the tape on there still right now, but if we were to pull this back, see, it reveals Ford Performance. That looks really sick. And like I said, it looks a hell of a lot better than the just matte black Mustang ones that are in there from the factory. So this install, super simple to do. It's just held in there with some clips, as you can see right there. It's just like a pressure retention clip. So we just gotta click these into position. And to remove the other ones, I'll show you exactly how to do that. We got a little trim puller tool, go underneath it, just pop it up. So let's go over to the car and get it done. So over here, as you can see, that is the factory one. You know, not terrible, but these Ford Performance ones definitely look a hell of a lot better. So like I said, just go underneath here, pry up a little bit, use a trim puller tool. You don't want to scratch up your paint, but as you just see, it's pretty simple to get them off. Once you get a little bit of leverage on there, just a little bit of pressure, they come up right away. As you can see, same way they're installed. There's a little bit of double-sided tape there. As you can see, we still have some under here, so let's peel that off to expose it. Then shove this underneath there. Line up both of those little tabs, one side in, and then push this one in. There you go. Just push it down in the middle, get all of that nice and seated. And there you have it. That looks a hell of a lot better, in my opinion. Sweet. And like you saw, literally this takes like 2 minutes. Really simple. And you know, it's just a nice little accent piece for like your interior. And I'm always super down to do any sort of interior mods, because you know, that's where you're spending your time. So quick rundown, I got like the carbon fiber pieces everywhere in here, up top as well. I got the Zen carbon fiber and Alcantara steering wheel, love that. Got the custom interiors, leather seat covers. So yeah, this interior, it's really popping off. I really like it. That little piece right there, just a nice little finishing touch. So yeah, super simple to do. Ford Performance part, good quality, less than 200 bucks. Can't beat it. All right, everyone, so that's gonna do it today. Quick, simple video, really simple installation. It's short, sweet, to the point. Next video, we're gonna be diving into some of the more hardcore modifications again. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you wanna see this thing making some more power. We're trying to get to that 1,000 horsepower mark, and hopefully we get there pretty soon. But like I said, guys, my name's Will. This is the Whipple YouTube channel, and I'll see you all on the next one. Later, everybody.